guys, back with another video. Today I'm with my dad. That's what you want ding-dings. And right now, it is actually snowing. Like it has already snowed. Stop and see this, man. Snowman, yes, finally. And yeah, I'm going to feed my dog right now and maybe let him outside. And yeah, that's it. Come on, boy, get danced. I gave him a tiny bit, but he wanted more. So I'm going to just let this balance. See. Ready, guys? Feeding my dog now. It looks like falling dog poo. Shit. So guys, I'll just balance it here. Look this, boy. Better for cleaning. But guys, would you eat this if you was a human and you starving? I would. Okay guys, that's Sam's sport up. He's like, whoa, I'm going outside. Let me just get the socks on. Hello, boy. Say hello to the camera. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, matey. I might be ending YouTube soon, but I'm gonna try to hit 300 videos and yeah, try to like more times and yeah. Let me just pause here and wipe my camera. Yeah, see you guys outside. Okay guys, I'm walking down the stairs now and then yeah, let's do this. My dad's very excited to go outside, isn't he? There's my tripod, guys. Whoa, it's snowing more and more. Whoa, this is freezing out here. Bloody hell. Look down there, man. Bloody hell. Freezing. Look, the snow down here, man. Oh. Man, you know I tried. My dog might have run off. I need to get my shoes now. So guys, okay, in that moment, I couldn't find my shoes. Yo, what does? I just couldn't find my shoes then. Casper! Please don't run away. Casper! Good boy. He hasn't run off. It's snowing outside, isn't it? Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. So guys, that's going to end this vlog today. Yes, you guys, in the next video, subscribe, leave a like, you know what to do. Peace.